Here we go. LSX time.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Alert System. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. The test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KXI70 listening area in Illinois, Jersey. Cloudy is in the KDO89 listening area in Missouri, St. Louis, Franklin, Jefferson, Lincoln, St. Charles, Warren, and the city of St. Louis. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. Up to this week, and we will now resume normal programming.
Thank you.
Thank you.